guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. If you know what it is, and I need it really bad. So Jordan Lipscombe, don't know her, I don't know how you don't. She's so cute and funny and beautiful, and I love her and I love her videos. We stan. And she recently uploaded her nail video, how she does her nails at home. And girl, I was like, why the fuck haven't I thought of that shit yet? Like, duh, do it at your, I don't know. But I was like, I can do that, right? Hopefully. So I'm gonna try it today. Yeah, like, I like getting my nails done. Don't get it done that often because it's expensive and keeping up with it's just annoying. And I chew my nails really bad. They look gross. I chew my nails. I chew the skin around my nails. It's a really bad habit, I know. But I don't chew on the skin around my nails, and I can't obviously chew on my nails if I have falsies on, right? So that's like my biggest thing. One, they look beautiful. That's like the biggest thing. But then the second biggest thing is it helps me with my pet peeve, or not my pet peeve, my, what's it called? Helps me with my, what is it? What is it called? So I got everything basically off of Amazon, and I'll put pictures and stuff of the shit I got off of Amazon and stuff. But yeah, and I used to do like the press-on ones you can buy at like CVS, Walmart, Target, anywhere really. The kits that are like the already pretty nails, and you just like they have this like really cheap shitty glue in there that, and I used to wear this all the time in high school, and I didn't have to carry around the glue because they pop up every 2 fucking seconds. And I think that's like probably the biggest reason why I never thought about doing this at home, because I was like, the glue sucks. But like, obviously, duh, you can buy other glue, like, duh. So thanks, Jordan, because now I'm like, got it together. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. I've never done this before, and honestly, I'm a little nervous because I kind of suck at painting nails. I'm gonna try really, really hard because I want this to look good. But I am nervous, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Oh, also, like I said, I'm following Jordan Lipscombe's tutorial, so if you really want to see a pro at her work, go watch her video. But also, you can watch, you know, an amateur try and do a Jordan Lips. I'm not gonna be able to do it as good as her, but I'm gonna try. So let's get started. So I have all my stuff here in front of me, obviously. I have my nail polish, which is a why am I talking so weird? A Sally Hansen, the Sally Hansen brand, and it's in the shade Graffiti. And then I have my top coat here. These are the nails I have. I got them off of Amazon. Like I said, I'll put like the picture about, I don't remember how much they were, but they were pretty cheap. And I also got these ones, which are clear, and these are the coffin shaped ones, and these are square. I'm doing the square today, and they're pretty long. I did it off camera. She did it on camera, but I did it off camera. I already filed, because they have, here, I'll show you. They have this weird tip that like, it's like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but see the tip, how it looks kind of fucked? You have to like, file that down. And I filed them even a little bit shorter. I was going to do it shorter just to like see if I could do it, but I got lazy. So they're like a little bit shorter, but not by much. Since I already did it yesterday, I have them here. And then I have let me open it. I have the glue here. So in her video, which was kind of confusing, the glue she used, I guess she had never used before, and she updated us while she was editing saying that that glue sucked and not to get it. And then she said that she usually uses the Primark glue, and look, I don't know what the fuck Primark is. I think it's a store in the UK. I don't live in the UK, obviously you can tell by my accent. Not that Americans don't live in the UK as well, but you know what I mean. I don't live in the UK, so I don't know what Primark is. We don't have that. And then she said another brand, but I didn't really know what brand it was she was talking about. She got it from Amazon, but I don't know what it was called. But I found this one called Mia's Secret Professional Nail System. It looks like this. Again, I got it from Amazon, so I'll put a picture of how much it was. But all of the reviews were really, really good for this. So fingers crossed this works. And then I also got gems. So there's a kit that looks like this on Amazon, and it comes with tweezers, and it also comes with this. Oh, let me open it. This thing, which is supposed to be, is supposed to help you pick up the gems easier. And it also has a cute little, I don't know what this is for, but it has a cute little tray. You put your gems on it in the glue. So I'm going to keep these out so that I don't have to dig through these with my nails on. And then in that set, oh, I'm a mess. In that set, they also have these tiny, like they're the same size, just little crystals. So I also got a whole kit. It's like, it just came in these little baggies, different shapes and sizes. So these are like hearts, there's little butterflies, which is cute, triangles, ovals, lots of different shapes. So if I want to do something crazy and creative. Also, these are just like circles, and they come in all different sizes. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna pick out my gems now. I'm gonna try and pick an accurate amount just so I don't have to try and get them open while my nails are like drying. So I think I'm just gonna do one accent nail because it's my first time, so I just want to practice. So let me think. So I chose like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you all this, but it looks like this. It's like a teardrop, but like a slim one. It's a little bit different than the teardrop shaped one. I'm not gonna do like a ton of shit, just because, like I said, it's my first time trying it, and I really don't want to frustrate myself the first time I do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the rough side of the filer and buff over top of my nail, just so there's a nice rough surface for the glue to kind of stick to better. Having oils on your fingers, and I've heard this, but Jordan also said this in her video, oils and stuff on your fingers is just not good for the glue. And I already pushed back my cuticles last night, which, ugh, my cuticles are so bad, but I did that already, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, nails are buffed, so now we go in with the glue. Okay, I'm like really nervous, I don't know why. So I'm gonna start with my thumb, and I'm just gonna brush it on. I'm gonna try and do a light layer. You don't need crazy amount of glue. And then I'm gonna take my thumbnail and make sure it's like really pushed up against the cuticle bed here, so it looks as natural as possible, and press. Wow, yeah, this shit is glued on. Holy shit. This is some good glue. I can already tell. I'm really nervous. Like, the only thing that I'm really nervous about is the painting part. It's because I really suck at that shit. Oh, I put that one on kind of crooked. Oh my god, I put it on so crooked. Shit. See, I fuck everything up that I do. Oh my god, look how crooked that is. Shit. Yeah, this glue is strong because I can't even get it off. Oh my god.
Fudge. You guys, I cannot get it off. I'm gonna try anyway because that is so crooked. These tweezers are really cheap. Oh no! Look. Oh god, okay. Try again.
One hand done. Here we go. Right hand to do. I am right-handed, so anything with my left hand is pretty fucking hard. Comment down below if you're right-handed or left-handed. Or, what is it? Ambidextrous, I think is the word. Sorry if I'm stupid, but I think that's the word. Now the hard part. Painting them. So I'm just gonna do my best to paint them nicely. Let's get it. Okay, I'm back, and I did 2 layers, and actually I'm pleasantly surprised, especially with my left hand. It actually looks pretty good. Not professional, so don't look too close. But I'm not mad at it, you know. And in Jordan's video, she was saying how it takes her a while to do her nails, but she finds it quite therapeutic. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what she said, that she finds it therapeutic or something. And when I heard her say that, I was like, yeah, fucking right. Like, because this sounds awful to me, but I was sitting back and I have Love Actually on. I mean, it's paused right now, but I've had Love Actually on in the background, and I've actually quite enjoyed it. It is kind of therapeutic. And yeah, I wouldn't even mind leaving my nails like this. But we got our gems out, and I think I'm just going to do the ring fingers. And I'm really, praying that this goes well. So I'm going to take a glob of glue and put it down on our little tray here. I have my little tool, my Mouska tool. I'm going to dip the top tip of it into a little bit of the glue just so I can pick up. Ah, my glue's already dried. Okay, plop it down. Got a gem on. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm struggling. Look, Jordan made this shit look easy, I'm not gonna lie. This is hard, okay? No one told me it was gonna be this hard. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of weird and random. And I think with like more practice, the better it'll look. But for what it is, not too bad. This is gonna be super fucking hard now. Moving on to the left hand. Like, I can barely do this with my right hand. How am I gonna do it with my... This part is not therapeutic. Oh, I feel like I need more gems because I don't think it looks right. Because I was gonna place it in a certain way, but then it just turned into I'm gonna put them where they land type of situation. So I feel like I need more gems, but getting them out is going to be hard. But I'm gonna try. Let's try this again. I mean, it's kind of like one of those things where it's like, it'll look pretty because it's just a bunch of gems, right? Okay. I'm happy with that. It's not amazing, but I'm happy with it. So I'm going to put glue over top of the gems to try and secure them even more because we don't want y'all going nowhere. Okay. And now I'm going to go over with the top coat and then we're done. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. These are the finished products. So don't look too closely, but that's what we got. Also, I realized I did this on the wrong finger. I wanted it to be my ring finger, but hey, it still looks okay. Who cares, right? I don't. So my final thoughts, I definitely prefer this than going to a salon and getting them done. I mean, obviously I don't know the wear of them yet, so I still have to obviously wear them and find out. My hair looks crazy. Find out how well they last throughout the week or two coming up. But I like the process of doing them at home better. And it did take a while, but it went by fast. So I didn't feel like bored while I was doing them. I will say the gems are so difficult to freaking maneuver, and so you have to have patience for that. And I think that it might be easier to apply the gems the more you practice and stuff you do. But yeah, I really like them. I'm really happy with them. I'd recommend this. It definitely is cheaper. I bought like a lot of stuff for this on Amazon, and I'm not gonna lie, the total came out to like $30 or $40, which is the price of getting your nails done. But if you saw in the box, you get so many nails, and obviously all this stuff will last longer. So it's like $40. Like, it's like buying one full set of nails without any design on it that'll last months basically. So yeah, I really recommend it, especially if you want to take the time to do this. I say go for it because I really like how they came out, and I think they look good. I mean, like I said, you don't want, I mean, if you look really closely, you're kind of like, girl, where'd you get your nails done? They don't look that good. But for doing it at home by myself, I think they look great, especially, like I said, the more practice you get out of it, the better they're gonna look, especially when it comes to painting them. I think that's like the only thing that I'm like, ooh, but way better than I thought it would. I don't have like any nail polish on the skin around my nails, so that's great. But yeah, I think that's everything, and yeah, talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you do your nails at home, if you're gonna try to do them at home. What's your favorite nail color polish? What's your favorite nail color polish is? Because I'd be interested to know. And make sure you subscribe. That means a lot to me. And I think that's everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.